mission today: visit Chicago's Chinatown, go to Millenium Park, eat deep dish pizza, attend a Chicago Bulls basketball game, walk through Chicago's streets, and celebrate the new year, all in one day. Can we do it? Let's find out. Today is last day of 2025. We chose to go to Chicago's Chinatown for the first time. While this neighborhood was only a short distance from downtown, it felt very different from the busy city streets we had been experiencing. Chinatown was full of bright colors, beautiful buildings, one-of-a-kind shops, and the delicious smell of food from the restaurants.
Hi, vlogger.
Hello, hello.
As we walked the streets, you could see people were getting ready to enjoy the start of the new year, so the streets were lively. The mix of old and new city life was one of the things that struck us the most. Chinatown quickly became one of our favorite places in Chicago, even though this was our first time here. Around every turn, there was something interesting to see, from pretty lanterns and cultural art to busy markets and restaurants. If you're planning a trip to Chicago, you should definitely include Chinatown in your plans. Mission 1 accomplished.
It's like his hobby he does right now.
Oh, okay. So it's just a hobby. It's not like one of those biggest.
One of our first views of Chicago's downtown. What appears to be a giant drop of liquid mercury. It is officially called Cloudgate. However, it is universally known by its popular name, the Bean. Millenium Park features the seasonal McCormick Tribune ice rink, which typically operates from mid-November through early February, depending on the weather. Mission 2 accomplished. You can't visit Chicago without trying some deep dish pizza. It's an iconic dish that represents the city's unique food culture. Mission 3 accomplished. The Chicago Bulls play their home games at United Center Stadium, where we're about to enter and watch a live basketball game.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Mission 4 accomplished.
There you go.
We had to de-ice the car before leaving the stadium.
Man, you can move here now, see? There you go.
Mission 5 accomplished. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more travel experiences. And I'll see you on the next one. Mission 6 accomplished.